Hi everybody, it's Joe from Shadow Hills, and as you can see, we're coming to you today from Nashville, Tennessee, and we are staying at the KOA Resort. Really nice KOA campground. Top end everything here, very nice. We're going to pan around here. That's the main office and club room, but on this side we have a bunch of deluxe sites, all pull through, all level, and all paved. Just a great, nice, perfect KOA. Have a lot of the camping cabins over here. A lot of cabins in this KOA here. So if you're not in an RV and you want to stay, you've got plenty of available spaces for that. Large pool area there with a big hot tub. I got a space over here with hammocks, ping pong, also pickleball. Nice grounds, well maintained. Cornhole, bowling, checkers, and chess. While we're here, they have pickups into downtown Nashville that you can call and make reservations for, and they'll pick you up and bring you right back here, right to the campground. Also inside the office they have Gray Line tours. We booked a tour through them and had a great time in Nashville the other day. Great spot for both walking your dog or taking a stroll on a kiddie bike. Again, more cabins, and then up over in this part of the park you've got more campsites. They aren't deluxe, but they are still very nice, and they're level, full hookups, cable TV. The Wi-Fi is so-so, but that's what you kind of expect. And both sides of the KOA, the deluxe and just the standard sites, have plenty of full-grown trees. We're off the highway, but close. You can't hear it. And just in case, that building you see in the background, that is Camping World, as a matter of fact. So if you need any supplies or repairs and you're staying here, it's just right next door. So with the great pickup and delivery of shuttles and stuff, this is a good spot to stay while you're in Nashville. You're about 10 to 15 minutes out of town, depending. But and it's also right next to the new Opry line, very close to that. Stay in Nashville at the KOA.